Yo, we are starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Taco Bell going 5.5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
I had a DoorDash pickup for Jake.
Sorry, I already made and sent that out like 20 minutes ago.
Okay, thank you. Playing this game again, huh? Not sure how well you could hear it, but apparently that order was already made and handed off. We're gonna contact support on this one because I feel like it's gonna be pretty slow this morning, so might as well use up this Earn by Time. Hopefully I can squeeze something out of this order. They're saying kindly request for the merchant to remake the order since the order will be paid for. All right, let me swing by again.
Hi, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
We can't really remake it yet. They have to put it back into our system. We've gone through this a couple times with a few different orders. And if we remake it and give it out, it basically, we don't have that food in our system, so it comes up short. If they call, I could probably answer and then do that way.
Okay, let
we
me
just
try
have to go about it like procedure, you know.
Yeah, let me try to get them to call you. If not,
Thank you. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure whoever took it last stole the order or something, because I made it and the guy seemed nice, but I assume we're gonna get it all figured out, so I'm gonna start making it.
Yep.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
I texted my manager and just told him I was going to manager it out so that we could have it in the system. You're all good, man.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You anymore. Go make some money.
I'll try. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you too. Okay, it looks like they're giving me half pay after all. They ended up giving me $8. I don't know if that order was actually an $8 order or if they fluffed it up for me. Because if that was actually half pay for that order, that would have been a good order. What the heck? They ended up handing me the food before support figured everything out. So, oh, is that instant karma or what? The next order right after that clown fest. This is gonna be a McDonald's going across the river. I think it said it was going in 9 miles. Oh, and for the record, there's usually somebody standing right on the sidewalk of McDonald's with a sign up. If there is one this early, I'm gonna give them half the food. I'll probably just keep one part of it. Looks like, nope, a little too early. I meant the Taco Bell, by the way. I'm not gonna give them this McDonald's order. Imagine.
Be careful. Hello, Lisa. There you go.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care, everyone.
Well, I just realized I never told you guys what was in this Taco Bell order. We've got a beef soft taco supreme, add pico de gallo. Ugh, I don't like tomato, so that's an issue. And we've got a crunch wrap supreme and a drink, but I don't know what this drink is. This is what it looks like. Total for that order was just under $9, so very bad. Because now I gotta drive back into my zone. I'm not that far away this time, to be fair, but I am across the river technically, or halfway across. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 4.5 miles.
You are my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love delivering single drinks. Oh, and it's a hand to customer, even better. Hello.
Delivery?
Yeah, for Diana.
Yeah. You can just drop it here.
Okay,
You think she pays more for the delivery fee than she does the coffee?
definitely.
I'm pretty sure
If she wants
does.
coffee, she just call me in the morning.
All right, what are we looking at here? Total for that was $6. So this is like an hour later now, and I finally opened up the Taco Bell. Turns out they didn't even make the right order. They got the crunch wrap right, but it had 3 hard shell tacos. Also, we got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $10 going 6.5 miles, only one item. Oh, my wallet's in the car. I have a random question for you though.
Yeah.
So I do DoorDash and like Uber and stuff.
Okay.
I was doing a Taco Bell earlier and they canceled it before I got to the customer. So I have this drink. I don't know if you would want it. It's like a slushie. I don't even know what it is. No? Okay.
All right.
Let me go grab my wallet then.
A little too early for me to go slush.
What's that?
A little too early for me to
Right.
go slush.
Yeah, I've been looking for people to hand it out to, but it's raining, so no one's outside. Got the next order as I was dropping that one off. This is a Black Rock coffee, $8 going 3 miles.
Thank you.
Can I put that in there? Trash.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Mirador. Oh boy. So I have a drink. It's like a slushy. I don't know if you would want that or not.
Oh no, I'm not a big fan of those, but I appreciate
You're all good.
you offering.
Yep. Have a good one. Who knew it would be this difficult to give away a drink? I mean, I get it. It is drizzling and it's a slushy, but someone's got to have a sweet tooth out there. Just got the next order. This is a Seize the Bagel going 5 miles.
Yeah, right there.
Thank you. Hand it to me, huh? Why is every order today a hand to customer? I swear I am not that famous.
Thank you.
For Tiffany.
Tiffany?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Total for that order was $9. Not bad. Next up, we've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Black Bear Diner and Panera. $10 going 4 miles. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, I ended up taking a sip out of that slushy and tossing it because even in my cold car, it's been so long that it started to melt. Thank you. You too. Ooh, I'm so jealous. They got hibiscus tea. So yummy. Next up, we've got a stacked Starbucks. This is $11 going 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Next up, we've got a Muchas Gracias going 3 miles.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Total for that order was $8 and change. We've got a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Black Bear Diner and Panera. Didn't we do that earlier? Pretty sure we did. But this one is $16 going 7 miles. Hello. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Me too. How did you manage to make a Cybertruck look even worse? Thank you.
Okay, you want to confirm you got it? Yeah, there we go.
Mirador. Bro, leave me alone, please. We've got a stacked Seize the Bagel. This is going 5.5 miles. Corey. Total for that stack was $19. Oh, wow. Very good. Thank you, thank you. And on that note, we are going to be calling it here. Current time is 10:20. Current total is 103. And I believe I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips from a stack. So that should bring it up to like 115, I think. 115 plus breakfast. I'm not mad about it. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.